What's up guys, so it's me Jonah, and today I'll be showing you a satisfying What's up guys, so it's me Jonah, and today I'm going to be showing you a satisfying video, and we are going to be seeing kinds of slimes. How slimes are, some slimes are so satisfying, especially these slimes that now we're going to see. So let's just get started and start seeing it. Okay, well, this is the first one. Let's watch. Oh, I never have done that. Like, it's so crunchy. Cause look at the beautiful bubbles. I wish I have all of the slimes they have. How do they get these slimes? Oh my gosh, look at them. So this is a smiley face saying, look at the dots. Look at the smiley face. Oh my god. That is so satisfying. I wish I had that. So lucky guys. You have these stuff. Not all people. Guys, by the way, it says here amazing live. That means they mean that they have amazing slime stuff and they have it easy. Okay, this is I love her happy face. Look at this one was a kissing happy face. Now we've got a love heart happy face right over here. Oh, see? I don't think so. We saw it. Sorry. So this is it, guys. It's this is a kissing. This is a kissing, and didn't we see this, guys? These are like a love heart happy. This is like a love heart happy face. Push inside. Oh my gosh, look at the blackness and the redness here and the yellowness over here. Oh, nearly all of it is like yellow. How is that blowing by itself? OMG. Whoa. That is so cool. The next one. I love when they make bubbles like that and then you start crunching it. Like, oh my god. That is so satisfying. Oh my gosh, how did they make that slime? How did they make the like shape like that, a rainbow? Oh my gosh, don't break it. I could punch and touch the camera and touch it. Alright guys. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It turned out like this. Is it gonna get down? Or is it gonna get any color? When you mix it together, like at the end, it starts getting a little bad color. I wanna stop the Alright guys, look at that crunchy. Oh Guys, I love these slimes. Like, you're just gonna put it inside and squeeze it. Do you know how they make it? Like, they put, like, wrapper on it and they dry it. I think. Not maybe. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. So they put, I think they put a wrapper on the slime, then they make it dry. Then they wait so much, like a day, and then, or 2 days. And then they get it and they find it like that and they start doing YouTube videos and start crunching it. Yeah, I think so. It's Klee slime. Gold. Oh my god. I'm crunching. You're so lucky you got to crunch it, whoever's crunching it. How big is that slime? I wish I could have it. Oh my gosh, okay. What kind of happy face is that? Look guys, right here. Like, literally. Wow. It has, like, it's blue, I think. I love these slimes. I just want to crunch it. Flip. Aww. Okay. Yeah, I love that one. Yeah, it's cool. It's very good. I love it. But guys, I wish I had that slime. Alright. Wow. These slimes are perfect. I wish I could have all of them. Okay guys. Once I made slimes and started selling them, so like we sold all of them for one go. I forgot how much dollars it was, but guys, it was very cheap. And I really liked the slimes we made. And yeah, that's what I would say. That's all. Alright guys, so this is it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys. These videos are amazing. Like, I love slimes, like it's my favorite. Better than Play-Doh and like better than everything. Guys, so this video was only about satisfying slimes. See how satisfying are these slimes? I wish I had them. Oh my gosh, guys. These slimes are so good. Comment down below if you have slimes like that. Write me down below. And guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Please just subscribe and like. See you later, guys. Bye.